Welcome back to the session 28 of Cost Accounting. Myself, Dr. Nagamani KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, KGF. In the previous session, we have discussed what is the meaning and formulae for Halsey as well as Rowan plan. In this session, we are going to solve some problems on Halsey and Rowan plan. Before going to solve some problems on Halsey and Rowan, first I am going to revise what we have discussed in the previous sessions. See, first we have discussed methods of remuneration. In the methods of remuneration, there are three types are there. One is time rate system, second one is piece rate system, and the third one is incentive scheme. Under incentive scheme, it is subdivided into two types. One is Halsey plan and Rowan plan. See, there are so many types of incentive schemes are there, but for your examination purpose, we are going to discuss only two methods, that is Halsey plan and Rowan plan. Okay, now what is the formula for time rate system? Is number of hours worked into rate per hour. Piece rate system, the formula is number of units produced into rate per unit. Then the formula for Halsey plan is T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. And the last one is the Rowan plan. The formula for that is T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R, where T stands for time taken, R stands for rate per hour, and S stands for standard time. And the bonus rate, that is 50%, it may vary. The first problem is here. A worker is paid rupees 2 per hour. For 1 hour, they are paying 2 rupees for completing a job within 8 hours. This 8 hours is the standard time. If he completes the work within 6 hours, what is his wage? Under time rate, Halsey plan and Rowan plan. So, what is given here? S means standard time 8 hours, T time taken 6 hours, or rate per hour is rupees 2 per hour. Now, first we have to solve what is the time rate system, wages under time rate system. The formula for that is number of hours worked into rate per hour. Number of hours worked by the employee is 6, rate per hour is 2. Okay, 6 into 2, 12 rupees. Rupees 12 is a wage under time rate system. And under Halsey plan, what is the formula? T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. Time taken is 6 and rate per hour is 2, 50% as it is we have to write. Standard time to complete the job is 8 and time taken is 6, rate per hour is 2. 6 into 2, 12, and 50% of 8 minus 6 into 2, that is 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 into 2, 4. In the 4, 50% is 2. 12 plus 2, that is 14 rupees. Rupees 14 is the wage under the Halsey plan. The next one is the Rowan plan. The formula for Rowan plan is T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. So, time taken 6, rate per hour 2, standard time 8, time taken 6, again standard time 8, time taken 6, rate per hour is 2. 6 into 2 is 12, again we need to simplify this. If we are going to simplify, we will get 3. 12 plus 3 is the 15. Rupees 15 is the wage under the row 1 plan. Okay. See, for this problem, wages under time rate is 12 and wages under wholesale plan is 14 and wages under row 1 plan is 15. So it is an wholesale and row 1 plan is the motivation to the worker. If they are going to save the time, by saving they can earn more and more wages. Problem number 2. A worker takes 9 hours to complete a job on a daily wage. It allows 6 hours a scheme of payment by results. The worker's daily rate rupees 0.75 an hour. Per hour they are getting rupees 0.75. Material cost of the product is rupees 4 and overheads are recovered. Overheads means indirect expenses are recovered at 150% of direct wages. And we need to calculate wages under row 1 and also the wholesale plan. Calculate factory cost. See what is given here. Standard time, standard number of hours is 9 and time taken is 6 hours and rate per hour is 0.75. See, for the purpose of calculating wages under row 1 and wholesale plan, we need only 3 things. One is standard time and another one is time taken and rate per hour. So by taking these 3 information, first we are going to calculate the wages under row 1 and wholesale plan. Then they have asked us to calculate the factory cost. For that factory cost, this material cost and overheads are required. First, come let us calculate what is the wages under wholesale and row 1 plan. So as I told, what is given, standard time 9, time taken 6 hours and rate per hour is 0.75 per hour. Wholesale plan, the formula is, see in this problem also they have not specified about the bonus rate, so we should take 50% only. T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. This is the formula for wholesale plan, and keep on write the things whatever that is given. T, time taken 6, rate per hour 0.75 and 50% as it is we should write. Standard time 9, time taken 6 and rate per hour is 0.75. We need to simplify this, and rupees 5.62 is the wages under wholesale plan. Next one is the row 1 plan. Formula for row 1 plan is T into R plus S minus T divided by S into T into R. Okay, we need to write the things that is given in the problem. T is 6, R is 0.75 and S is 9. Again T is 6, S is 9, T is 6 and R is 0.75. After simplifying, we will get rupees 6 as a wage under row 1 plan. So we have calculated the wages under wholesale and row 1 plan. The first one we have completed. Now the second one is we need to calculate the factory cost. What are the things that is given for calculating the factory cost is, material cost is given rupees 4. Material cost of the product is rupees 4 and the overheads are recovered at 150% of direct wages. Okay, come let us calculate the factory cost. Now, calculation of factory cost. See, materials are given here 4 rupees. Under wholesale and also under row 1 plan, we are going to calculate the factory cost. This factory cost is also called as the works cost. Okay. Materials, it will be same under both the plan, that is 4 and 4, and wages under wholesale plan 5.62, under row 1 plan 6. See, this we have calculated here. Under wholesale plan 5.62, under row 1 plan 6. That we need to write here. So if we add materials and wages, we will get prime cost, that is 4 plus 5.62 is 9.62, and under row 1 plan 4 plus 6 is the 10. For this we should add the factory overhead. Factory overhead that is given in the problem, the adjustment is 150% of direct wages. Here the direct wages under wholesale plan is 5.62, under row 1 plan is 6. Okay. Now under wholesale plan 5.62 into 150% is 8.43, and under row 1 plan wages is 6 into 150% means 9. We need to add this factory overhead to the prime cost. Okay. Prime cost plus factory overhead is the factory cost or works cost. That is 9.62 plus 8.43 is 18.05. And under row 1 plan, prime cost 10 plus factory overhead 9. 19 will come. This is the works cost. Okay. So, factory or works cost under wholesale plan is 18.05 and under row 1 plan is 19. If you want to learn more and if you want to solve more and more problem, you can refer all these books. Thank you.